the burn, but it's reminding me all you ever did was hold me back. So now I'm never ever coming back. But why? Tell me why. You're stuck inside my head, and I just can't get you out your mind. I would rather think of anything instead. I try to fight it, but it's you. It's always you. You're stuck inside my head, stuck inside my head. Maybe it'll just take time for me to leave the past behind, but I'ma get you off of my mind. 'Cause I know that I got better things to think about than all the ways you drag me down. But right here in this moment, all I know is that I got it away. You're stuck inside my head. You're stuck inside my head, and I just can't get you out your mind. I would rather think of anything instead. I try to fight it, but it's you. It's always you. You're stuck inside my head, and I just can't get you out your mind. I would rather think of anything instead. I try to fight it, but it's you. It's always you. You're stuck inside my head, stuck inside my head. You're stuck inside my head, stuck inside my head.
Let's learn Stuck Inside My Head. It's choreographed by Anthony Gordon and Laura Gordon. It is a 48 count 2-wall intermediate level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go through and do 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Stuck Inside My Head. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. You're going to hop slightly forward and out with your right and your left. So you're going to step your right foot slightly into that right diagonal and then your left foot to the left side. You're now going to bring both hands up to your head, and then you're going to bob your head to the right and bob your head to the left. You're going to drop your hands and hop back, right, left shoulder width apart. You're now going to bend your knees and lift your heels up off the floor and pop them forward, and then recover back down. You're now going to rotate your right knee into the left as you put your weight onto your left foot, and then you're going to rotate your right knee back out to the right as you put your weight onto your right foot. So let's try that with some counts. You're hopping forward, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. Section 2. You're going to do a heel grind quarter turn. You're going to take your left heel, cross it across your right, put your weight onto your left heel, and rotate your toes from right to left, making a quarter turn over your left shoulder and step back with your right foot. You're now going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder as you step your left foot to the left side to face 6 o'clock and point your right toe to the right side, and you're going to hold. On this hold, you can do shoulder shrugs, so you can bring your right shoulder up, left shoulder down, and then switch it, left shoulder up, right shoulder down. You're now going to quickly bring your right foot in and next to your left, and then cross your left over your right. You're going to do a slight scuff with your right heel, and then you're going to rock your right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, quickly step your right next to your left, and then make an 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot into the 430 diagonal. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right, you're facing 12 o'clock, you're doing your heel grind quarter turn. 1, 2, and 3, hold, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, you're going to do 2 walks forward into the 430 diagonal, stepping right, step left. You're now going to do a right mambo step, rocking your right foot forward, recover back onto your left, and then step your right foot slightly back. We're now going to do an 1/8 of a turning weave. You're going to step back with your left, make an 1/8 of a turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side, and cross your left over your right. On this crossover, you want to use this slightly as a prep because we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping back with our right foot to face 3 o'clock, and then you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 12 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We just stepped into the diagonal. You're doing your walks. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Section 4, you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side and bringing your left foot in and next to your right. You want these to be about shoulder width apart. You're now facing 9 o'clock. We're going to do 2 swivettes, one to the right and one to the left. So you're going to bring your right toe to the right and your left heel to the left. So both are going to kind of go to each side and then come back. So you're on the heel of your right and on the ball of your left, and you're rotating to the right and then coming back center. You're now going to do the same thing to the left. So you're going to come up on your left heel, right toe, and you're going to rotate to the left and then recover back center. You're now going to have your weight on your right foot as you do that recover. You're going to do a kickball touch behind. So you're going to kick that left foot low and forward. Quickly step your left next to your right and touch your right toe behind your left. You're going to step your right foot to the right side, and as you step, you're going to push your hips to the right and then to the left. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our quarter turn. You're going to do your quarter turn to face 9 o'clock with your step together. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Section 5, you're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 12 o'clock. You're going to make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 6 o'clock, and we're going to do a right coaster step, stepping right back, left together, right forward. You're now going to step forward with your left foot. You're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 12 o'clock, and you're going to do a left coaster step, stepping left back, right together, left forward. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our 2 hips. You're doing your quarter. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 6 in our final section of the dance. You're going to do a kickball step drag. So we're going to kick our right foot low and forward, quickly step our right next to our left, and do a big step forward with your left as you drag your right toe into your left. We're now going to do a ball step, bringing that right foot in and next to your left. Step forward with your left foot. You're now going to step forward with your right. You can do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 6 o'clock. And then we're going to do a full turn, making a half turn over our left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 12 o'clock. And then a half turn over our left shoulder, stepping forward with our left foot to face 6 o'clock. And then you're ready to start the dance all over again. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our coaster step. You're going to do your kick, step, drag. So it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're hopping out, out, and then your hand. So it's out, out, head, bob, bob, back, back, knee, pop, swivel, right knee, in, out, heel grind, quarter, ball, quarter point, hold, ball, cross, scuff, rock, recover, ball, eighth, walk, walk, mambo step, back, eighth, cross, quarter, back, quarter, side, drag, together, swivette, right, left, weights on your right, kick, ball touch behind, hip, right, hip, left. Quarter, half, coaster, step, forward, half, coaster, step. Kick, ball, step, drag, ball, step, step, half, pivot, half, half. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're hopping forward with the right and the left. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, hold 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now the dance is going to naturally end facing 12 o'clock, so you don't have to really worry about an ending. Now let's go around. On the front wall I'm going to do steps. Back wall I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're hopping forward. Out, out. Head, bob, bob. Back, back. Knee, pop, swivel. Right knee in, out. Left. Heel grind quarter, turn, quarter. Point, hold, ball, cross, scuff, rock, recover, ball, eighth. Walk, walk, mambo step. Back, eighth, cross, quarter, quarter. Quarter side, drag, step, swivet right, swivet left, kick ball touch behind, sway right, left, quarter, half, coaster, step, forward, half, coaster, step, kick ball step, drag, ball step, step, half, 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 out, out, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, hold 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out, out. Head, bob, bob, back, back. Knee, pop, swivel, in, out. Heel grind quarter. Quarter ball point, hold ball, cross, stuff, rock, recover ball, eighth, walk, walk, mambo step, back, eighth, cross, quarter back, quarter side, drag, swivet right, left, kick ball touch behind hip, right, left, quarter, half, coaster step, forward, half, coaster step, kick ball, drag, ball step, step, half, 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 out, out, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, hold 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, hold 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. The dance is going to end with your side step to face the front, but you don't have to necessarily worry about changing any walls because you'll be ending there anyways for that part of the dance. Now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like. I hope this helped you learn Stuck Inside My Head. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.